Little Super Saiyan chef, some or other, little Super Saiyan chef, you know.
Bitch, a little Super Saiyan chef, so break the game up like a ref. I'm up right now, bitch, fuck up next. I want that mouth, I don't want sex. Older chef, he be always flexing. I swallow pride with recollection. I'm pulling vintage cards out of my collection. I ain't got no time to talk, so just fucking tell. Bitch, this rapping shit is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 or 2 blunt, Spartan, camo, rolling 3, 4 more. I'm just wondering, do you fucking copy? This is chef shit, so don't you fucking copy. I'm taking first place like a blue shell. How you doing, chef? Bitch, I'm doing swell. Shout out to my mom.
Yup, that's facts.
Yup. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, my only shout out.
I'm so fucking sick of all this fucking fuck shit. Yellow chef regards, bitch. I do this cause I does this. How they hate me today, but they gon' love me tomorrow. Bitch, I'm coolin' out with y'all. We be bang with Wells Fargo saying that you a dog, but I ain't never heard your bark though. Sick of all you fucking Nakamaros. Oh, I think I'm guilty. I body beats with toe tags. Rhyme slow with my team. YBG, yo, that's your boy gang. Spikes, we go, bitch, I'm back with a bang. I can't get no sleep, I'm getting to a bag. Say that your ass falling, and all I say is same time to and cold without compression. They all lame. Hey,
Super Saiyan chef.